If they come to you 45 days after the issuance of the letter, still filing for an equivalency hearing, but you've lost the collection due process hearing rights to
Correct.
them. So it's important that they read these letters and bring it to you on time.
Yeah, and I'll automatically file these. First thing I do, as you know, as an attorney, I see that, I get it in. And then we discuss what's our ultimate game plan. Are we going to be doing an offer? Are we going to be doing an installment agreement?
Right.
Are we going to be doing a collection due process? So once I get it in and I know, hey, there's no gun to my head, then I will still, well, after it's filed, I will engage the IRS, ACS, or get the offer in, but at least there's no gun. Taxpayer will not have the levy, the wages garnished, or they won't have their bank account seized, or
Right.
they won't have, even if they're 1099, they won't have these threatening letters go out to their clients.
Which
Right.
can also be quite embarrassing if you are 1099 and you're a contractor. So now all your contractors know that you have IRS issues, and that's really embarrassing in the concept of doing business, because they may now look that you may do great work, but they may look for somebody else that can also do the work because they don't want to deal with somebody that's got issues.
Right, which is why you appeal this letter. Before we explore options, get your appeal in, and then do they qualify for an offer? If that's the plan, which, I always will look for, that takes time. You want to get it in, again, you have to prepare the forms, you have to give the IRS all the substantiating documents they need, and then same thing. There's no electronic filing for the offer, snail mail, return receipt requested, and then you got to get the IRS to receive it and process it. Sometimes they don't process it right away, or they may come back to you and say, well, this offer is not acceptable for processing. Your client is self-employed. We want him to pay estimated taxes, get in compliance, and then you offer. So what I'm saying is that's why I always file the 12153 the day I get retained. And then get the offer in, if that's the offer. If it's an installment agreement, engage the IRS. It could be a process, as we know. If they really qualify, maybe a CNC, but it's one of the three.